Hi, Phanessa here. In this video, I am going to demonstrate how to crochet the Snapdragon stitch. So when I googled Snapdragon stitch, there were so many different types of stitches, mostly with shells. So this is one of the many Snapdragon stitches, I believe. As you can see, a combination of shells, and these are decreases, 3 double crochets together, and then there's just a 2-row repeat. All right, let's get started. So I have this worsted weight yarn here. I'm going to start with a slip knot. This pattern is in multiples of 8 plus 2. So I'm just going to make a swatch here. 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Once you have your multiples of 8, chain 2 more stitches. Today is Halloween. You probably won't see this until after, but it's so fun to wear these holiday nails. Although I become useless because I can't really do anything with these. So hopefully I can actually record this video. So now we're going to start with the second chain from the hook. So first, second, working into the humps. I'm going to turn it slightly, insert my hook into the hump or the back spine, and I'm going to work 1 single crochet. Okay, so insert your hook, yarn over, pull up a loop, yarn over, pull through 2. Now we're going to skip 3 stitches. 1, 2, 3, and then into the 4th stitch. 1, 2, 3, 4. I'm going to work 9 double crochets. That's going to be a shell stitch. Yarn over, insert, pull up a loop, yarn over, pull through 2, yarn over, and pull through 2. Okay, so I'm going to work 8 more. It's going to be a little squishy in there because it's a 9-stitch shell. So here's 9 double crochets to make a shell stitch. Now we're going to skip 3. 1, 2, 3, and then 1 single crochet into the next. And then you repeat. Skip 3, work a shell stitch, skip 3, and 1 single crochet. So you should end with 1 single crochet into the last stitch. Skip 3, 1, 2, 3, into the next. 9 double crochets. Skip 3, 1, 2, 3, into the 4th, 1 single crochet. I have my last shell, and then I'll work 1 single crochet here. Okay, so now I'm going to skip 3 and work 1 single crochet into the last stitch. So here's 1, 2, 3, into the last stitch, 1 single crochet. Okay, so that's going to be your foundation row, or row 1. Row 2, we're going to chain 5. 3, 4, 5. So this chain 5 is going to count as 1 treble and then a chain 1. So for the treble, it's 4 chains and then your chain 1. Turn your work. So we're going to skip the first double crochet here. This is the first one. And into the next 3, we're going to work a double crochet 3 together. So we're going to yarn over, skip this first one into the next, pull up a loop, yarn over, pull through 2. So do that 3 times. So that's 1, yarn over, into the next stitch, pull up a loop, yarn over, pull through 2, into this 3rd stitch now, yarn over, insert your hook, yarn over, pull up a loop. yarn over, pull through 2. Okay, so you have 4 loops. You're going to yarn over and pull through all 4. So that's your double crochet 3 together. Now we're going to chain 3, 1, 2, 3, into the next stitch. This is going to be the center of your shell stitch. 1 single crochet, chain 3, 1, 2, 3. Now we're going to work a double crochet 3 together over the next 3 stitches. Okay, yarn over into the next stitch, yarn over, pull up a loop, yarn over and pull through 2. Do that 2 more times. Yarn over into the next stitch, pull up a loop, yarn over, pull through 2. One more time, yarn over into the next stitch, pull up a loop, yarn over, pull through 2. With 4 loops on your hook, yarn over and pull through all 4. Now we're going to chain 1, and we're going to skip the next double crochet, the single crochet, and the next double crochet here, and then we're repeating again from here where we worked our first double crochet 3 together. So I'm skipping these 3 stitches. I'm going to work double crochet 3 together over the next 3 stitches. Chain 3, 1, 2, 3, 1 single crochet into the next stitch, chain 3, 1, 2, 3, double crochet 3 together over the next 3. So that's going to be your repeat all the way across. I'm at the end here. I'll show you what to do after you work your last double crochet 3 together. Okay, you're going to chain 1. Now we're going to work 1 treble into this single crochet here. So we're skipping the next one, and then we're going to work 1 treble crochet here. Make sure you chain 1 after your cluster of double crochet 3 together, yarn over twice into the single crochet, yarn over, pull up a loop, yarn over, pull through 2, yarn over, pull through 2, and then finally yarn over, pull through 2. Okay, so now we're ready for row 3. Chain 1 and turn. Into the same stitch, you want to work 1 single crochet. So we're going to work a shell stitch into the single crochet here that's in the center of this shell. So that's 9 double crochets into the single crochet. Okay, there's my shell stitch. Now there's a chain 1 here. We're going to work into this space, just 1 single crochet right into the space. And then you repeat, shell stitch into the next single crochet here. We're skipping all of the chain 3 stitches. Into the next space, 1 single crochet. And then you're just going to repeat across. You'll end with 1 single crochet in this space here. So 9 double crochets. Okay, so work 1 single crochet into this space here. So now you're just going to repeat rows 2 and 3 until you're happy with the size. Okay, I've worked a few rows and this is what it looks like. I stopped on this row, giving me a straight edge. If you stop on the shell row, it's going to be a scalloped edge. So depending on what your project is, you can stop wherever you'd like. All right, thank you so much for watching. I hope you've enjoyed this video. Don't forget to subscribe, hit that notification button. You'll be notified every time I post a video. I'll see you next time.